Hey, it's Joe Tamargo from WetheadPumpRepair.com. We have a special pumpkin episode of WetheadPumpRepair.com TV. Alright, so welcome to a special Halloween edition where we're going to show you how to remove motor bearings in the dark. Like, why not? Halloween's supposed to be all scary anyway, so let's try to remove some motor bearings in the dark. Okay, so we have placed our bearing puller on the motor shaft. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to turn the bearing puller, okay, until the bearings start coming off. Okay, and then we're going to remove the front bearing, and then after we remove the front bearing, we're going to remove the rear bearing. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start turning the bearing like this. All right, now you could do it with two different kinds of pullers. All right, some people will use a 3-jaw puller, some people will use a 2-jaw puller, depending on the style that you use. Okay, so what you want to do is make sure your bearing puller is really tight on the shaft like that. And then what you want to do is you're going to want to get a wrench and you're going to want to loosen this nut. Okay, so it's going to be a little hard to see because it's all, dark and scary. So what you can do is you can tune into one of our other episodes that are the Halloween special, and we'll show you how to change the bearings, in the light. Okay, so that once you have your bearing puller installed, like I said, you want to take a wrench and you just want to loosen the tighten the shaft on the motor. Okay, just like this. And then your bearing will come off, and then you'll do the same thing with the rear. Now, if you just a quick tip for Halloween, like a trick or a treat. So here's your treat: if you're doing a smaller motor, like a Cal Spa motor, or a motor with a 1/2-inch shaft, you always want to make sure you put a socket over the threads, then put your bearing puller on. That way, it will not crush the threads. All right, so this is Joe Tamargo. Happy Halloween 2013. We'll see you in the rest of the videos. Thanks for having fun with us, and we'll see you next time. Peace.